wanted to welcome you back to my channel. It's your girl Lee of iknowlee, and we're back with another video. I am just feeling Kelly Rowland, like all things Kelly. She's a fellow Houstonian, and honey, she is just like chocolatey goodness. So I've been low-key like fangirling over her page recently, and it seems like every single style she posts, I'm just like in love with it. I'm just like, oh my gosh, another one. Like, give it to me. This one is cute. This one is cute. This one is cute. This one is cute. So I decided to transform into Kelly Rowland today with this super cute hairstyle. It's protective, and even better, it is easy. I spent about $5 on this hairstyle. I used 2 packs of braiding hair. This braiding hair is like $1.50, maybe $2 depending on where you live, and a bag of gold rings that's usually roughly about $1. It just depends on your area. Let's get into it. What's up? I already know. It's not looking too bad. My hair is obviously blown out. I blew it out yesterday and I attempted another style. Didn't work out that well, so here we are. You guys literally just saw me go through the entire process of making these 2 jumbo braids that we're going to do for our look. It's really quickly. I'm gonna put this one in the front just because I think the ombre is cuter than this one. So first things first, grab a rat tail comb and we're just gonna part from ear to ear. Take your time, young man. Mama used to say, don't you rush to get old. Mama used to say, live your life. So in other words, take your time to get this part straight because it is importante. Let me just separate this so that I can better see whether it's straight or not. Alright, it's looking pretty good. Pretty good. It looks like Kelly's ponytail is to her left. And I never wear my ponytail to the left, so that might be kind of interesting. Might be cute. Might not be as cute, but we gonna see. I don't really think it makes that much of a difference, but I'm gonna do it to this side just because that's the way hers looks. So I went to go grab it. You guys know that I'm using Style Factor. This is my kind of go-to edge control. I'm gonna, just lay that on. Like, I'm in the mood for edges today, so I'm gonna put a little bit on the back part and smooth it in with a bristle brush. You know, the old school throwback brushes. Then I'm using my hair hooks from Canon. I love these things, so I'm gonna start it off, just hook it in the back and get to wrapping. And once you get through wrapping, guess what? All you gotta do is hook and voila. I'm gonna braid it and try to make this the smallest, flattest bun type situation that I possibly can, and then I'm gonna wrap it into a bun. And then to secure the bun, I'm just using a rubber band. Look, oh, it's so small. So you already have the rubber band that you added onto it. The rubber band is literally just gonna go on the base, but put it on in the opposite direction because you're gonna just take this and essentially flip it over that bun like this. At this point, you're gonna kind of go ham on the bobby pins because you need to secure this. Like, this does not need to come off, okay? Use open bobby pins. I find that those work the best. Literally, that looks pretty good. Oh. Okay, now we're just gonna kind of like fluff this a little bit, stretch out some of the parts so that it doesn't look super neat, just give it like a little bit more va-va-voom. And then we're going to do the back. Grab you a bit more edge control and we're gonna really secure the back. Catch the kitchen. Brush that in. I'm not gonna make this ponytail in the back very low either, but it's up to you. I just think because this is so long, you don't really need it low. Take another Canon hair hook and we're gonna wrap it. Then braid it just like we did before. You're just repeating the same steps. Literally, when I saw this style on Kelly, I was like, ooh, that style is so easy, but it's so freaking dope. I took a rubber band to like secure my little bun. Now I'm taking the other like braided ponytail concoction that we made or whatever, and I'm gonna turn around so I can show you guys how I kind of like plop this on. So put it on like this. That's what I mean by at the bottom. That way this part kind of just flips over it and you have enough to stretch around your little bun ponytail situation. And that's not even pinned. With more open bobby pins, we're gonna secure the back bun. Now what we really need to do is kind of like tie this down. We need to allow it a bit of time to like really just set. So while this is setting, Kelly Rowland in one of these pictures, she had like some rings or some type of like little decorative moment. So this is like a totally different look. However, in this particular look, she does have rings and like other little jewelry in there. So I'm not gonna do as much, but I'll do a few. So I have some gold hooks. I know you see it. And I have different sizes, so I'm gonna use like a big, a small, and a big. Kind of switch it up, make it look very random. So I'm only gonna do 3 back here. Just a little bit. Hey baby, when you come home. We're gonna do just a little bit of edges, like not too much. She doesn't really go overboard on edges, but you know, she makes sure that they are present here. And what's a look without earring? Let's see, what does she have on here? Oh, she's dramatic. What about on this other little yellow look? Okay, on the yellow one, it's like, okay, I'm cute, I'm subdued. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on me some earrings and then show you guys the final look. Who is she? Did I nail it or not? I think I did. Pretty sure I did. It's so cute. So that's it, guys. Literally enough of me feeling myself. Please let me know your thoughts on this style below, and if there's any other celebrity inspired styles that you want to see me do, let me know. You can hit me up on Instagram at iknowlee and DM me the pictures, and I'm gonna try to pump out as many of these as I can because I just think that they are super fun and just really cute. So before you leave, hit that subscribe button, especially if you've made it this far into the video. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Stunner.